Hello guys, this is a new RCC floor slab executed with the proper methodology, adequate vibration and M20 grade concrete as per the approved mix design. The surface was finished using a power trowel and the initial results were satisfactory. However, after the curing period, some unexpected defects were observed. Let us look at the remedial measures for these defects. First, remove all loose particles and dust from the affected area. Second, apply the suitable bonding agent over the cleaned surface. Third, prepare the micro concrete to the required consistency and apply it evenly. Fourth, allow it to dry and set properly. After completion, the surface will achieve good strength and an improved finish. For more informative video, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.